So today in Mental Maths we had quite a few tricky little questions on percentages, and it's been a while since we've done percentages or finding percentages of numbers, so I thought it would just be worthwhile if we revised it a little bit. So if we look at Tuesday question 8, it says this painting was bought for €400 and sold for a 2% profit. What was the selling price? So like all of these percentages questions, we first want to put the percentage as a fraction. So 2% would be equal to 2 over 100. And can we simplify that? Well, 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 100 50 times, so 1/50th is a simplified fraction. So now we want to find 1/50th of €400. So like all of these ones, when we're finding a fraction of, we divide by the bottom and multiply by the top. So that's 400 divided by 50, which is the same as saying 40 divided by 5, so we know that answer will be 8, multiplied by 1, which is 8. So 2% of €400 is €8, but our sum isn't finished there. They said that the painting was bought for €400, so the cost price was €400, but it was sold at a profit, a 2% profit. Okay, so profit is always added on to the original price. So it'll be €400 plus €8, which is €408. The profit is the amount of money that the shopkeeper makes on selling this product, so he adds it onto the cost price. So €408 is our final answer. Now, if we move on to question 14, a similar question, but this time we're dealing with VAT. And we know VAT means value added tax. Okay, so a car costs €1,250 plus, so plus is very important, 20% VAT. 20% VAT. Again, when we're doing these percentages of, change 20% to a simple fraction. So we know that 20% is 1/5. So we're getting 1/5 of 1,250. So again, dividing by the bottom, multiplying by the top. So it's 1,250 divided by 5. So just a simple short division sum. We know it's short division because there's one figure on the outside. So 5 into 1 doesn't go, carry your 1. 5 into 12 goes twice, remainder 2. 5 into 25 goes 5, and 5 into 0 doesn't go. So €250 is 20%. But like I said previously in the previous sum, we're not quite finished yet because VAT, value added tax, you have to add it back on. The government adds it back on. The clue is in the name, value added tax. So it's 1,250 plus €250. So this car will be sold in the car shop for a total of €1,500, including VAT.